Hey guys, how's it going? On today's video, we're going to do another update on the E30 project. A lot to go over. It doesn't look like a ton of progress, but there was a lot of progress. But first, I want to thank the sponsor of today's video, Evil Energy. Big thank you to Evil Energy for sponsoring today's video. They went ahead and sent out some Dash 6 PTFE line, as well as the full kit that goes along with it. So you get a bunch of AN fittings, some brackets. They also sent out some Dash 6 and some Dash 8 hardline fittings. The PTFE kit comes with all of these fittings, minus these right here. But you have some 180s, some 45s, and some 90s, as well as some straights. And then the two brackets that help you mount it to your underbody. Also comes with a nice install tool to make sure that your cuts are clean, no fraying, and that you can get the fittings on no problem. They also sent out some of their hardline fittings, nice quality fittings. I've been using them for a while. I'm currently working on a fuel tank and fuel lines for the E30. So wherever I can't do hardline, we'll get the nice PTFE line that is E85 compatible. And wherever there's hardline, we got some nice, easy hardline AN fittings to go. They have a ton of other products on their website, other fittings, fuel pumps, hose line kits, and some other aftermarket goodies, so make sure you go check it out. If you guys are interested in any of this, I'll put a link below to the link to these products, and if you check out anything on their website, you can use my code NF10 for 10% off at checkout. Big thank you again to Evil Energy for sponsoring today's video. Let's get back to the update. It's been a while, and unfortunately not a ton of progress. Well, that's not true. There's been a lot of progress since the last update video, but small progress here and there. So, as you can see, motor's been dropped again. Obviously, fender's missing, the whole front grill's missing, and it doesn't look like there's a ton of progress here. But what you don't know is I did get the motor running. So the wiring was tested, the engine harness was tested, and I got it to fire right up, minus me forgetting to put the main power wire on. But other than that, fired right up and sounded super healthy and was ready to go. I've been doing a lot of parts testing and not really having a ton of time to work on this, so it's been something here or there. Finally finishing up on fuse box relocation kit. This video should be going up on Friday, and then I should have another video up for you guys on Monday or Tuesday of next week with the final fuse box relocation kit that will be available for you guys to pre-order. So that is the biggest update that comes to the wiring, because I went through and tested it, so I was very happy with everything. I'm actually printing hopefully the last backing model, and then it should be good to go. You can also see the trans is off, going a little bit of a different direction, possibly. So if you guys are looking for a spec Stage 3 Plus clutch, it's brand new. Hit up Rage It Parts or the Mass Driver on Instagram. I can get that for you. A little bit of a good deal since it's brand new. But other than that, I got the car to run, which will be in its own video. I have a full another series of building another IS, like a quick series that I think some of you might be interested in. If not, I won't post it. I did end up selling the ITBs to a good client of mine for the time being, just because they're just sitting on the shelf. I'll buy another set when it comes time. So I went ahead and filmed the full install with that, so you guys will get a nice ITB video sooner rather than later. As well, with that car, it will be getting some nice KW coilovers, as well as a CA-tuned AP kit. So those will all be videos in the future coming up. The ITB video should be out relatively soon. So that is a nice update for that. Inside the car, not much has changed. I'm still working on the gas tank project, which I will just give you a little hint there, even though you can't really see what I've been working on. But gas tank isn't too far behind. Just really finishing all the fuel lines and testing it is the biggest thing for that. Let's see what other things. Nothing's changed in the rear. Nothing's changed underneath. Nothing's changed in the front there. You probably got a hint of something else. I probably have to cut that out. But yes, unfortunately, it's been very slow. I have a bunch of products that should be coming out in the near future. First being finishing up the fuse box tuck, and then some other products after that. So stay tuned for that. Just finished up this motor right here, which will be going in that other car. If you guys are interested in seeing that series, let me know. Just like a quick, maybe I'll do like an everyday video for like a week of putting a car together and getting it running. You just got to do the injectors, and then this motor's ready to go in. Got a spare SETA motor, which is great. Those are hard to find. And then got a ton of other parts that if you guys are interested in anything, just let me know. RageOfParts.com, Z3M, E46M3, E36M3, and E30. A ton of E30 parts, so let me know. Don't even ask about this car. It'll get touched one day, or if someone wants to buy it, great, 95 M3. I also have a 84 316 Euro import slick top, registered in California on non-op, if anyone's interested in that. I want to build it for like another like just daily street car and have a parts tester, but I don't really need another project. Plus, hoping to pick up another E30, the last E30 I'll probably own for a project. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll know what I've been looking for. So that would be pretty cool if that ends up working out. So I know this is kind of a boring update video, so I apologize for that. We should have some fun videos coming up here soon. I just really haven't had the time to work on this. Business comes first. Plus, full transparency, a little lack of motivation, which that never helps when it comes to a project. It's just super hard. I want a car to drive, so it gets dull when I keep messing with it instead of finishing it, which is my own fault. So that's pretty much it for this update. Don't really have any cool parts. Ooh, I do have some cool parts. I got some Dapper lighting headlights that finally arrived, so I'll have a full build series on putting those together and installing them. Those should be sweet. And I think that's it for today's video, unfortunately. I wish I had some crazy update. Maybe I'll put an exhaust clip of the car firing up, but that'll be in its own video, so at least you guys have a little something here at the end of the video. But thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, put it down in the comments below. If you guys need any BMW parts, hit up my parts page at Rage It Parts or RageItParts.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below. I appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.